Welcome to the future, today. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in a world where smart homes anticipate your every need, AI assistants manage your daily life, and sustainable living isn't just a trend, but a reality? Well, you don't have to wait to find out. In this series, we're diving headfirst into the cutting edge of technology and lifestyle to see how the future might really look.
Hey everyone, you are watching Quick Lifestyle Expirements.
And this week, I'm turning my home into a living lab to explore the smart home of tomorrow. From AI-powered assistants to self-cleaning kitchens, we'll see how these technologies work together to make life easier, and if they really live up to the hype. Our first experiment begins with the smart thermostat. This little device learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature accordingly, saving energy and keeping you comfortable. But does it really work, or will I end up freezing at 3 a.m.? Let's find out. Next up, my new AI assistant, Ella. She's not just here to answer questions. Ella's going to manage my entire day. From organizing meetings to suggesting meals, she's supposed to make life a breeze. But can AI really handle the complexity of human life? We'll see how she does. This fridge is no ordinary fridge. It knows what's inside and even suggests recipes based on what I've got. Today we're going to put it to the test and see if it can actually help me whip up a gourmet meal, or if I'm better off sticking with takeout. As evening rolls around, my smart home is just getting started. With voice commands, I can control everything from the lighting to the entertainment system. The question is, does all this technology add to my comfort? Or does it complicate things even more? So after a full day and night in my smart home of the future, what's the verdict? Is this truly the lifestyle of tomorrow? Stay tuned as I break down the pros and cons and reveal whether or not I'm ready to fully embrace the smart life. From AI to automation, the future is filled with possibilities. But what's it really like to live with these technologies day in and day out? That's what we're here to discover. If you're as curious about the future as I am, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey through the next frontier of lifestyle experiments. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below with what future technology you'd like me to test next, and I'll see you in the next